Is your BMW E46 key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery, a need for remote initialization, or a malfunctioning GM5 module. First, replace the CR232 battery. Ensure it's correctly oriented. If that doesn't work, try reinitializing the remote. Turn the ignition on and off quickly, then press and hold the lock button while pressing the unlock button 3 times. If problems persist, suspect the GM5 module. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for GM5-related error codes like A143. Addressing these issues yourself can save hundreds compared to dealership repairs, with remanufactured GM5 modules now more affordable. The GM5 module is the control unit that manages keyless entry, alarm systems, and other vehicle functions in the BMW E46. If diagnostics point to GM5 failure, replacement is often necessary. Remanufactured modules are a cost-effective solution, typically costing between $200 and $250. After replacement, coding the new module to your car using BMW DS or ETK software is crucial for proper function. DIY diagnostics are increasingly accessible with tools like the Foxwell NT510 or Blue Driver scanners. Always disconnect the battery before working on the GM5 to prevent electrical damage. Remember, a weak key fob battery can sometimes mimic GM5 issues, so start with the simplest fix first. The E46 community forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting and DIY guides.